Ali, half a day, and hello. I tried making Gemma Stafford's pumpkin dinner rolls, but I messed them up. They turned into biscuits. I still love the flavor, but I will be making a part 2 for this, which would hopefully be a success. The first step in the recipe asks for softened butter and scalded milk, which needs to cool down before mixing into the egg, butter, and pumpkin puree. Then, in a separate bowl, we need to mix the dry ingredients before combining it with the wet ingredients. The dry ingredients are the flour, the sugar, salt, and yeast. If kneading by hand, knead the dough for 10 minutes. 10 minutes. So the kneading part is where I really messed up because I may have overfloured the surface. If it's dry, add a splash of milk. But I feel like adding some more pumpkin. So like the recipe suggested, if the dough is dry, add some milk, but I may not have added enough splashes of milk. And with that, I am left with the very dense dough to work with, but I still went through with the recipe and my husband helped me put egg wash and bake them.